Starting a vlog in the middle of the ride seems weird. Yes, it definitely does. By now you should know where I'm headed to. The reason I'm starting the vlog in the middle of the ride is because we left really early at around 4 o'clock in the morning. It was pretty dark and it was raining as well. So rain and darkness is not an ideal option to start vlogging, right? So I decided to cross and get a little bit of sunshine so that I can get the vlog started. Anyways, good morning, this is Winston and welcome back to the channel again. Today is a really exciting ride. I can't tell you how excited I am, and the reason is we are riding with a super huge group. Usually we ride with a group of about 10 to 12 members, but today's group is huge. We got about 30 riders today and it's super excited. Let me just quickly give you a quick look around of all the bikes that we are riding with today. Riding with a huge group comes with a lot of responsibilities. It's something that you have to live with, but it's super exciting as well. We've now stopped at the Bagepalli toll booth. We wanted to cross into Andra Pradesh as quickly as we can, so we decided to ride non-stop, and we are now here for our first tea break. The plan for today is to ride to Gandikota and see a few places around as well. I'll give you more details about the vlog once I get on the road. So let me get my gear on, let me get my helmet up, start the ride, and then get talking. Welcome back, guys. If you're new to the channel and have not yet subscribed, please click on the subscribe button right away. And for those who are back for another video, welcome back. Today we are riding to Gandikota, which is around 275 kilometers away from Bangalore, and as per Google it must take us about approximately 6 hours. Gandikota is also known as the Grand Canyon of India. It might not be as big as the real Grand Canyon which is in America, but this is as good as it gets in India. It has a lot of history behind, so we're sure to see a few forts around. However, it is most famous for its sunrise and its sunsets. Well, if you're wondering what is this huge group about, it's known as the Gear Tribe. It was founded by me and Hari, who was just behind me riding an Himalayan. We usually ride from Bangalore to various parts in India. If you want to ride with us, just ping me on Instagram and have a look you up. Hyderabad, is it? No, we are going to Gandikota. It's like a hill station. Yes. Solo?
Yes.
Nice. We are a group of 30 people.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Enjoy. Take care. Safe.
Yeah.
You don't have raincoats?
What?
Rain jacket?
No.
You should wear, no?
Yeah.
Your luggage will get wet.
Like protection cover.
Wear it. See the rain in front.
Is it there?
You can see from here on, you know.
Yeah, but it is cloudy now.
Cloudy, yeah. Okay. Cool. Take care. Bye-bye. ಎಲ್ರು ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಯಾಕೆ?
ಹಾಲಿಡೇ.
ಲೀವಾ? ವರ್ಕ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಏನದು? ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಏನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಊರು ಹೆಸರೇನು? ಹಾಂ?
ಸವಣಪಲ್ಲಿ.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಊರು. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಹಿಂಗೇನಾ ಬಿಸಿಲ?
ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿಸಿಲು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಮಳೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Well, we had just stopped for a minute to put on our rain gear as it looked like there was heavy rain ahead, and we got approached by a few curious onlookers. One guy was just riding back from Bangalore to his hometown, and then those kids who asked me if this was a bike race. The best part of riding a bike is that you get to have a lot of conversations with a lot of different people. This adds to the overall experience of traveling itself. Boy, I can't tell you what a beautiful ride it's been so far. The weather gods have been amazing. The sun has just come out, but so far it's been just beautiful. It's been cloudy all day, not a lot of sun, not a lot of rain as well, just light drizzles, but it's heaven. On the way we saw a lot of windmills as well, but we couldn't stop and click pictures or take a video because I was riding in a group and there were a lot of people, so I didn't want to mess up the formation, so I decided to just push on. But trust me, the view is just amazing. The only problem is for the past 20 to 30 kilometers I've been looking for a place to stop for breakfast, but trust me, I've had one heck of a time finding one. Finally, after about 100 kilometers from my previous stop, we found this place. It's heaven at the moment because we're damn hungry. I don't know what the name of the place is, but this is the best that you can get at the moment. All of the riders are inside having the breakfast. I've ordered my breakfast as well, so I'm quickly gonna go and have my breakfast. We have another 100 kilometers, I guess, to Belum Caves. We're gonna finish up breakfast quickly, as fast as we can, and then head off for Belum Caves. Hopefully we reach there by about 12 o'clock so that we can enjoy the caves, because from what I've heard it's gonna take about it's gonna take at least about 2 to 3 hours to get through Belum Caves. I'm damn hungry at the moment. Looks like my food is ready, so I'm quickly gonna go have my breakfast, and then once I'm back on the road I will catch up with you guys again. We have now reached the city of Anantapur. The city center is just packed with traffic, and to make it worse, the temperature is just so high. I just want to get out of this town as soon as possible, and I'm hoping to find the outskirts of the city. It took us almost 45 minutes to get out of the city. Thankfully, a few locals guided us on another route which had less traffic, and we were able to get out of the mess. We are just a few kilometers from Belum Caves at the moment, and the roads are starting to get horrible, and it looks this way for quite some time.
Huh? 15.
Finally, we have now reached the entrance of Belum Caves. I'm damn hungry, and the group got split into two because of the traffic. We're finally here, and look at the view, guys. Isn't it just amazing? A beautiful statue of Lord Buddha. We are now entering Belum Caves. There was a small entry fee of around 20 rupees to enter the cave. It is said that this cave has a length of over 10,000 feet, making it the second largest caves on the Indian subcontinent. The first one, I believe, is somewhere in Meghalaya. So let's go and explore the cave a little more. It is past 5:30 at the moment. It took us quite some time at the caves, but the major problem was the road from Belum Caves to Gandikota. Just a horrible stretch of road which slowed us down pretty well. But the view on either sides of the road are just amazing. It was very beautiful. A lot of sunflower fields on the way. But another major problem we faced was the lack of hotels. There wasn't a single decent place where we could sit down and have a snack. The last time we actually had anything to eat was this morning for breakfast. So if you're planning on taking the same route I just took, don't forget to carry something to eat, or else be prepared to starve a little bit. The plan was to get to the canyon to see the sunset, but I've heard the ride to the canyon watching the sunset is even more spectacular. And that's what I'm doing at the moment. Me and a few others timed our travel in such a way that we ride to the canyon watching the sunset. This will be the end of today's vlog, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow when I wake up for the sunrise. Until then, enjoy the beautiful ride through the sunset to Gandikota.